Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a tally marks chart. Tally marks are a simple and effective way to keep track of counts, especially when you're collecting data on the fly. They help organize information into manageable groups, making it easy to see totals at a glance. We'll cover the basic technique, how to set up your chart, and some practical applications for this useful counting method. Let's get started with the fundamentals of tallying. Now let's prepare our tally chart. First, draw two columns on your paper or board. Label the left column categories and the right column tally marks. Under categories, list all the different items or options you'll be counting. For example, if you're counting favorite colors, your categories might be red, blue, green, and so on. This clear structure is essential for organized data collection. Here's the core technique for making tally marks. For every item you count, draw a single vertical line in the tally marks column next to its category. When you get to the fifth item for that category, draw a diagonal line across the previous 4 vertical lines. This creates a neat bundle of 5, often called a gate. This grouping makes it incredibly easy to count by fives, speeding up your data analysis significantly. Once you've finished collecting your data, reading your tally chart is straightforward. For each category, count the number of complete gates you've made. Each gate represents 5 items. Then, add any individual vertical lines that are not part of a complete group of 5. Summing these up gives you the total count for each category, providing a clear and organized summary of all your collected information. It's a very efficient way to visualize data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.